Hello, today I'm reviewing this charcoal filter for my IQAir machine. So that's actually a different filter went off in our IQAir machine, and I want to show it to you how to replace it, how it works, and share my overall thoughts with you. And here I just want to show you closer up our IQAir machine. You see it says replace the filter, and it's a different charcoal filter. That's why this red button is on. And here we have our filter all packed. So yeah, let's actually unpack it and install it. So first of all, you actually need to open the IQAir machine arms. Then we lifting up our first tier. Then we lifting the second tier. And here's our charcoal filter, what needs to be changed. And here I prepare the old box. So now you can just lift it up very, very careful. And we can just discharge it. I also love that manufacturers actually include this instruction manual. The reason why I'm holding it like that, because you can see this all in the charcoal. So we want to make sure that everything good is going inside the IQAir filter, not on my hands. So yeah, I just want to mention that you have good instruction manual. Everything explains right here how to change it and how it all works. And one of the things I want to mention is it even comes with this nice carry handle, so it will be very, very easy to install. And here we're just installing our new filter right here. And after we install our charcoal filter, you can see it says stop everywhere, so you know for sure you will not miss it. And that's why now I need to go wash my hands to install the rest of IQAir filters. And if I wash my hands, so I'm actually ready to reinstall IQAir machine. So we're putting our tier up. It says this way up, so you know you will not miss it. And here our top tier. Everything is up and running. Yep. And here we're just closing our IQAir machine. And now we actually turned on our IQAir machine. We reset the filter right here and reset the settings. And yeah, everything works and everything is ready to go. So if you're looking for a charcoal filter for your IQAir machine, we highly recommend to check this one out. It was easy to reinstall, easy to replace, and everything works perfectly. Thanks for watching.